Alright, at the home stretch. We're getting there. So if you're putting up one of these bathtub surrounds, this thing's pretty flimsy. I would put some great stuff in the shelves that it has. It'll add some strength to them. So, that's all. Hey, what's good? Just pretending I knew what I was doing for a minute. If you're putting up one of these shower stall glue up things, if you take some of the insulation foam, you can use it to pin it up. Just measure it to size, and won't mar up the sides of it as you're holding it. So that way it pins it in place a little bit, and you can also use it on the tops, just to kind of hold it in place for you. It won't crush the plastic, but it'll hang on to it just a little bit. I think you can see it up there, but I just pinned it in a few spots. So, not done yet. Still got a ceiling and some other stuff, but just thought I'd show you a trick I thought was helpful. Thanks. Have a great day. Alright, got the trim work done. Only thing left, put some paint. It's a magnet.